Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 Cbse Max straight lines miscellaneous exercise question number 8. Let's see the question. Find the area of a triangle formed by the line y minus x is equal to 0, x plus y equal to 0, x minus k equal to 0. So there are three equations of a triangle. Here let me take this to be y minus x is equal to 0, here x plus y is equal to 0, here x minus k equal to 0. So having the equation, now we will find the area of the triangle. Here we can find the point of intersection by solving. If I solve this two equation, I'll get the point of intersection of this. That is by elimination method or substitution method. If I find the x and y value, it will be the intersection point of this two lines. Same way, if I solve this 2, I'll get the intersection point of this. If I solve this 2, I'll get the intersection point of this. Now, let me solve the first two equation, this two equation to find the intersection point. Here it is minus x plus y equal to 0, x plus y equal to 0. If I add this becomes, this get cancelled, 2y equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Substitute y equal to 0 in any of the equation. Here if I substitute it in the second, you know x is equal to 0. So this point of intersection is 0, 0. In the same way, let me solve this 2 to find the point of intersection. Now x plus y equal to 0, x minus k equal to 0. Here if I change the sign, this get cancelled. Here y plus k equal to 0, then y will be equal to minus k. So I got my y to be minus k. So here y is minus k, and substitute value of y in any of the equation. If I substitute in the first one, here it becomes x minus k is equal to 0. So x is equal to k. So k comma minus k is the point of intersection for this two lines. Now point of intersection, just solving this two will get it. Here minus x plus y equal to 0 is your equation. Here it is x minus k equal to 0. Just add it, y minus k equal to 0, y is equal to k. Now we have found the value of y to be k. Substitute it in any of the equation. In the first one, if I substitute minus x plus k equal to 0, yeah, minus x is equal to minus k, this get cancelled, x is equal to k. So here the point of intersection will be k comma k. Now this becomes k comma k. Now we have found the point of intersection of all the three vertices. We know the vertices, then we can go with the area formula. As we know the coordinates, we can directly go with the area formula. Yeah, let me write the point first. It is 0, 0, k, minus k, and k, k. So, your area formula, area of a triangle will be half into x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. Now half into, as x1 is 0, this multiplying will become 0. So leave it off. Now we'll go to the, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, this is x3, y3. Now we'll go to the x1, k into y3 is k minus 0 plus here x3 is k, here 0 minus of minus k will be plus k. This becomes k square half into k square plus k square, which is nothing but 2k square by 2 gets cancelled, k square units. Now your final answer for the sum is k square units for the area of the triangle. That's all with the sum. Thank you.